Okay. Oh boy, what a day. So, second day here in Scotland, or third day, I don't even know. It's all a blur. We had an amazing day. Our host, Anselm Fraser from the Chippendale School of Furniture, we first drove over to Loch Ness to a castle sticking right on a point. What was the name of the castle?
Urquhart Castle.
Urquhart Castle. And that was amazing. Then had lunch there, which was really great. And my left hand driving and shifting with my left hand is getting pretty good. Where are we?
We're on Cracknahary Drive in Scotland.
It's exciting.
Yeah. And some of the roads are single lane only. So you're racing down you're going down the road, and when a car comes at you, everybody just has to like figure out, come to a stop and inch by each other, and then you're on your way again. So driving is not for the faint of heart. From there, we then went to those Carins, the Carins?
Corrimony.
Corrimony Carins. So but that was really cool because there was no tourists. It was really, really special there. From there, we went to the falls, right?
Then we went to
Carrick to the falls, which were just, I don't know, 75 foot.
Plodda Falls.
Oh, Plodda Falls. And that was beautiful. And it really reminded us of Oregon, the Northwest.
Washington.
Everything's covered in moss, just green, and the falls are beautiful. We hiked down this little valley to the bottom of the falls, came back up. Then from there, we drove through this town. Now, this little town was actually on the way to the falls and going back out in the middle of nowhere. This like Disneyland town with street lamps and charming little cottages, and we didn't get any pictures of that. So
Street lamps that looked like they came from Narnia.
yeah, from Narnia or New Orleans or something. And what was the name of that town? Tomic. So from there on the way, we stopped at this mansion, this massive mansion that was just about to fall down, and unfortunately we couldn't go in. Luckily, they fenced it off because it is literally about to fall down. And they also had redwood trees. Apparently, John Muir sold seeds to the very wealthy way back when, and it was a symbol of status. So you would plant redwood trees and grow, and now they're massive. They're 50, 100 feet tall and huge. Then on the way home, we just saw this again. You just came around this corner, and there's a church. It was a decent sized, not even a chapel, church.
It was a church.
It was
yeah. Scottish catechism.
Yeah. Just in the middle of nowhere, like no driveway, no hill on a grassy knoll. And just as we were parked up, another car pulls up, turns out to be the owner. He lets us in. He turns out to be an artist, a painter, and a woodworker. And really amazing guy. And he's shown us his paintings and all these trinkets. And all the relics that he's dug up from the site. He's owned it for quite a while, and he's restoring it. And then just on the drive home down this valley, just beautiful stream or river, and on the sides were blue
wood hyacinths everywhere,
just
spectacular,
carpeted with blue,
carpets of blue.
It was really special. So I hope you enjoy these pictures, and yeah, we're having a good time. And tomorrow we're gonna probably go deeper into the mountains, into the highlands. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.